So take Highway 19 north of Hilo. So from Hilo, go north. It's about 7 miles. And you're going to take a right on Kulaimano Road. Kulaimano. Kulaimano Road. You're going to go about a half a mile toward the ocean on that road. And then you're going to take a right on Old Mamalahoa Highway, which is what we're on right now. And then you're going to go about a mile on Old Mamalahoa Highway, and you will reach 6 Tons Waterfall. You're going to come to this bridge that crosses the falls in the stream, and there's parking right here on the left. There's room for about 4, maybe 5 cars on the left here. And then right to the side of this guardrail, there's a little access point. This is not for the faint of heart, and this is not for little kids, but there's a little rock trail here, and you gotta climb down tree roots that are like a ladder, and then rocks. It's almost like steps. I mean, it actually is a really nice access, but like I said, kids and the non-physically fit would not want to try this probably. Here we go. Pretty easy. Here's the reward. There's nobody out here. Well, 2 other people out here. Apparently you didn't have to climb down the tree roots there. You could go a little bit more to the left, and there's just a muddy trail that we've now gotten back on after hiking the rocks so that we can get further out in the stream here, out to these rocks. But in that previous piece of the video, you could see some people out there at the point. Just walk through this jungly, muddy trail. Make sure you have mosquito repellent on. We put it on before we started, so we haven't gotten bit so far, but we have had mosquitoes on us at other places in the area. So we're coming to the end of the mud trail here. There's a little down climb here, down the rocks. We're at the top of a waterfall where there was only a couple of locals out here. All right, so right up above the waterfall here, there's a calm kind of pool. It's waist deep for me most of the way, and there's one little, right to the right of where my boys are right there, there's a deeper spot that was maybe 4.5 feet deep, just for a couple, like 1 step. But it's not that, the current is not that strong. So I just stepped right across it. It was easy. And then just follow these rocks out to the waterfall. I would say this is pretty rewarding. Oh! This is awesome sauce, man. Ho, ho, ho. That is beautiful. There's nobody here. 6 tons waterfall.